This is the third dot point for MM4. So we need to calculate the areas of composite figures constructed from squares, rectangles, triangles, and circles. So you can see here that I have a shape with a triangle and a rectangle. So if we find the area of the big shape, the composite shape, we need to add these two together. So we say that that's the polygon BCDE. So the big area here. So first of all, find the area of area 1, which is the top one, the triangle, and you can see I've used colors here to hopefully make that easier. So we've got an area of a triangle, so half the base, which is 4, times 3. It's half because we have half of a rectangle. So you can see that's 6 square units. Notice the setting out that I'm using here. I encourage you to use the same kind of setting out. Area 2 for the bottom one is the rectangle. So 4 times 2 is 8 square units. So the total area is these two added together. So 6 plus 8 is 14 square units. In example 7, we need to find the area of the shape below. So this time around we have a semicircle and a rectangle. So the semicircle is in blue here. Kind of looks a bit purplish. And area 2 is the green rectangle. So for the semicircle, we have half a circle, so half times pi r squared. So the radius is 2. So from here to here is 2. In a lot of problems, you'll just have a number for either the diameter or the radius. Remember, if you got the diameter, which in this case is 4, we actually need to calculate using the radius. So you halve it. This one, the radius is 2. So we get 6.28 square units. The rectangle at the bottom is 4 units by 2 units. So 8 square units. And again, total area is area 1 plus area 2. So I like using the colours. You might not need to do that, but just need to make sure that your working is good. And because it's very easy to make a careless error somewhere. So area 1 plus area 2 approximately equals here, because we're rounding, 14.28 square units. And we've rounded, so make sure you put in what accuracy you're using. Example 8, same kind of question, find the area of the shape below. This time we've got a triangle and a quadrant, quarter of a circle, and we add the areas up. So area 1, we've got a triangle, so half times 4 times 2, and we've got a quarter of a circle for the green part. So that should be quarter. So quarter times pi times 4 squared is 12.6. Add those two areas together and we get 16.6 square units. And again, make sure you put in the accuracy that we're using. So don't worry about that typo. We do have a quarter of a circle. Oh,